In this video, we'll show you how to change the front bumper cover retainers on your Honda Civic. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. In order to change the front bumper cover retainers on your vehicle, you will need to remove the radiator support cover to have full access. Using a fork, remove the 4 holding rivets. Then remove the cover. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 5mm Allen socket, unscrew the 2 upper retaining bolts on the front bumper cover. Then, using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the screw holding the bumper cover to the fender. Do the same on the other side. Using a fork, remove the 6 retaining rivets on the lower part of the bumper cover by prying their central parts. Disengage the bumper cover from the fender by pulling it out and then down. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the screw holding the bumper cover side retainer in place. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the upper clip holding the retainer to the fender. Then, using pliers, remove the retainer clip. You can order the front bumper cover retainers used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the retainers. Put the side bumper cover retainers back in place. Start with the upper clip holding the retainer to the fender. Continue with the central clip, pushing the retainer all the way into its slot. Then, screw back in their screws. Then reattach each side to the bumper cover retainers. From the wheel arches, screw the bumper cover retaining screw back onto the fender. Screw the 2 upper bumper cover retaining bolts back on. Under the vehicle, put the rivets back in place. Take the new radiator support cover, then position it correctly. Remember to pass the cover under the fender mountings and the grille assembly. Then, put the rivets back in place. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.